Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, now let's take a look at the gold market. Gold market shows a bit strong downside action compared to the euro currency. Well, maybe it is logical and based on recent performance, because rally was really significant and might be more active profit-taking stance before major events will happen. So actually, as we already mentioned, that existence of the monthly overbought area, this is not the reason, this is not the background for changing the direction. Market is not changing the direction, market is not changing the sentiment. It's just some kind of the statistical effect on the price performance, and this is just a retracement. This market keeps the same sentiment, it is bullish, and we should not consider this performance and probably even deeper retracement as some investors are changing their minds. Absolutely not. So this is the specific of the reaction of the market on overbought, oversold areas. This also brings some choppiness in the price action. As you can see even on the intraday charts, this market is very choppy, lots of swings. Here, as you can see, that spikes here stands on the market around, because well, actually investors would like to keep going higher, but they can't just overcome the barrier and need to take some pause in the upward direction. So as a result, you could see that gold shows a bit stronger downside performance that we see. And actually, if you will take a look at Bitcoin today, you also see the significant collapse compared to euro currency, where I would not have a real big drop. So as we said, in this week, we're mostly considering two levels. First one is 19 even, which this is the first level. And next one is 1865, 1872. That's accompanied also inside trending line here. And between them stands the daily oversold. It's approximately 1885. Both of these levels are really important for a current peak. If you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, based on our hand and shoulders that we talked about in the weekly report, we now have the ABCD pattern. Let's take a look. OP stands in agreement with the 19 even, 1902 approximately. Next one is a kind of the neckline of possible hand and shoulders as well. XOP stands 1881, which is very close to the daily oversold area. So it means that 1881 we probably will use as some kind of the floor and extended ultimate target for this week, if of course something really outstanding will happen on numbers or central banks meetings or something of that sort. From the technical picture, it suggests that probably XOP, which will be some most extended level that market could achieve from this week. Correspondingly, if you haven't taken position yesterday, once we have discussed this possible retracement on the hourly chart, it would be better. Well, actually, there's two ways to act. Either wait when the OP will be reached and then try and take another deep retracement, or you could try to take the position on some minor pullbacks while this downside action will develop. There's two different approaches exist. So choose what you like more. Actually, speaking about the recent performance, here's, by the way, a few grabbers have been formed yesterday. As you could see, that's really big assistance for taking the position. So if we take a look at the hourly chart performance, recall what we said in the weekly report. We have considered this possible ABCD pattern somewhere to the 1938, 1940 area. That might be some pullback here. But as you can see, the one thing that market was able to do is just to retest the previous top and the 1936 resistance area. So you can see here the right arm is smaller than the left arm potentially, and that well, it's an advantage for bears, and this bearish sign that suggests that this pattern probably is rather good, and markets just keep going with this downward action. So as I said, either wait for OP around 19 even the market hits it, and then we'll try to catch the more or less significant pullback, or you could just try to catch some minor retracement here. So maybe market will show some kind of minor pullbacks, and so you could try to use targeting the OP level first. There's two approaches for trading right now on the gold. Currently, we are not considering taking any new long positions, especially on the intraday charts.
So that's actually what we have. Let's see what will happen today, and let's prepare for tomorrow. So this will be a really important session.